We're going to show you how to install a pre-flashed M-Weld drain insert, which can be used for new and retrofit applications. You'll be using a torch, so take all appropriate safety precautions. First, remove the protective film from the expendable seal around the bottom of the pipe. Carefully insert the drain into the drain leader. Make sure it fits flush to the roof surface. Work the flashing with the torch and roller. Look for a bleed out between 1/4 and 3/8 of an inch for proper adhesion. Install the field cap sheet around the drain. Use the strainer cap as a template to cut the cap sheet from the drain opening. Use a roller around the drain ring for good adhesion and bleed out. Finish by securing the strainer cap in place. For more information on where to buy these and other GAF products, visit gaf.com.